Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to delete YouTube channel. Warning, this is permanent. Firstly, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the channel you want to delete. Go to youtube.com and click on your profile icon it's at the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio. This opens your channel dashboard. Click on Settings located in the lower left corner of the YouTube Studio menu. Then select Channel, Advanced Settings tab. You'll see various management options here. Just scroll down and click Remove YouTube Content located at the bottom of the Advanced Settings page. Now verify your Google account password. You'll be prompted to sign in again to confirm your identity. Choose I want to permanently delete my content. You'll see two options. Make sure to pick the permanent deletion one. Now check the confirmation boxes. YouTube will ask you if you're sure. Tick both checkboxes. Then click Delete my content and confirm deletion. And once done, your channel is permanently deleted. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.